Hello programmers, welcome back to my tutorial. First of all, this tutorial is made in Swift 4 on Xcode 9, but if you're still using Swift 3, then this code will work fine for you. Today I will show you how to create a custom cell in TableView. I will be sharing my code file on my website. I will add a link to project file in description. So this is what we are going to create. It's like beautiful, right? So let's get started. Here I have already created a new project. So let's start by adding images to our asset folder. So you will be getting this assets along with my project files, so you can use them if you want. Okay, so here we have it. And under Viewcontroller, I have already copied array of names, so I will just paste it over here.
It's 6 o'clock.
So under main.storyboard, first of all, we need a table view. So let's throw in a table view and I'll put it on top. So I want to occupy the maximum space possible. So 0, 0, 0, 0 and add 4 constraints. We need TableViewCell as well. And this cell, so select TableViewCell and go to, like, I think it's size inspector, and row height will be 100. Hit enter and it will be custom. Now we will throw in a view, a normal view. So it will be like very down below. So bring it down. Okay. So basically just put it in between and change its color to, like, I'll say click here, second one, and make the opacity to half. And we will give constraints to margin. No, let's, like, okay, let's drag it, drag it, drag it. Okay, and now let's do it. It's so 0 from, I don't know, let's do like 5 from top, 10 from left, 10 from right, and 5 from bottom as well. So just add 4 constraints. Now we need to throw in an image view. So first throw in an image view and like decrease the size. So put it over here. And we need a label as well. So label and put it over here. So first of all, let's give this a constraint. So let's say it's a fixed width and height of, let's say, let's do 80, and this is also 80, and this will be 0 from left. So add 3 constraints and it will be horizontally in container, vertically in container, and this one will be like all 8 from top, 8 from left, 8 from bottom, and 8 from right. So add 4 constraints, centrally aligned. So I guess this was okay. So it's centrally aligned as well. And let's bump up the size a bit so that we can see. And just for prototype, let's say cat, and for image we will say, let's say cat, and it will be a spec fill and clips to bound. Okay, so you can see the difference. Now we need to create a custom class file for our cell. So say new file, CocoaTouch class, and say custom, and hit enter. We forgot to do one thing. So under main.storyboard, select your cell. So it will be here, it's TableViewCell. Give it identifier custom cell. Do make sure you remember this name because we will be using it afterwards. So assign a custom class file to this. So it will be custom TableViewCell, and let's add the connectors. So go to manual and select, it will be our custom TableViewCell, and now we will be able to connect this. So start connecting with our view. So first of all, this view is our cell view. Then we need our cat. So cat is the image, so say animal image, and we will be referencing the label as well. So say, yeah, put it over there. So animal LBL. Okay, I think we have to put it down. Let's try again. Animal LBL. Okay, it worked. So we are done with the like cell custom cell part, and so let's get started with our view controller file. So first of all, we need table view delegate and data source. So it will be table view delegate and table view data source. And we forgot to reference our table view in our view controller file. So select that and just copy paste it. So here is our table view. We need to go to our, let's say, automatic and view controller and just drag and drop it here and say table view. Now we are good to go. So hit enter, and this error is because we are not conforming to protocol. So first of all, let's assign our delegate and data source to our table view. So say table view dot delegate is equal to self, and table view dot data source is equal to self as well. Let's confirm to this protocol. So hit command and click on data source and jump to definition. So these two functions are mandatory. So just hit copy and go back, take this out and just paste it over here. I'll just add few spaces. And so first one is number of rows in section. So it will be same as our array size, array count. So elements dot count. We need a cell for each row. So we will be creating a cell. So I think we are good with delegate, we are good with data source, and so let's give it a cell. So let's cell equal to our table view dot DQ reusable cell with identifier, and identifier will be our custom cell. Okay, this comes from here, the name which you gave to your table view cell, custom cell, and under identity inspector, this is the name. Okay, make sure it's same as this one, otherwise it won't work. So just paste it. I'll save this file, I don't think, and this will we will cast it as custom table view cell. Okay, now we can use all the properties, all the variables inside a cell. So and return cell over here. So first we need to give it image. So cell dot animal label, let's assign label dot text is equal to animals. What was my array name? Yeah, it's elements and pass in index path dot row. So index path has like two stuff, I guess. So it's dot I guess it's row and column, I guess. But anyways, we need index path dot row, and we will, I think, yeah, that's it. And let's assign the image. So cell dot image, not image view, it's animal image view, animal image dot image is equal to UI image, and open parentheses, just image open parentheses, and it will be named, and just pass in the same thing as above. So copy and paste it over here. So let's run this and see what happens. So this is my old application. So wait till the new one loads. Okay, if you see, the row height is not proper because we need to do it programmatically as well. So let's hop over to our code, and above our cell for row at index path, just say height, and we need height for row at index path, and just return 100. And let's run again. So this time it looks much better. So first of all, we don't need this separators. The separators looks more ugly. So select your table view, and for separator select none. And let's go back to our view controller. Now we need to give corner radius to our cell. So first is cell dot layer dot corner radius. It will be cell dot cell view So cell.cellView.corner radius.layer.corner radius, and it will be cell.cellView.frame.height by 2. So this will make it round, and we need to do the same thing for our animal image view. So let's do it. So cell.animalimage.layer.corner radius equal to cell.animalimage.frame.height by 2. So let's run it once more. So this is much better, right? So guys, that's how you create a custom cell in TableView on Swift 4. So again, this code will work with Swift 3 as well. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in comments. And if you like my video, don't forget to hit like, and please subscribe for future videos. Thank you.